Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to add and remove bookmarks in Safari on your Mac. It's an easy guide, so let's get started. First, let me show you how to add a bookmark. Go to the website you want to bookmark. Once you're there, press Command and D. This will open the bookmark prompt. Here, you can give your bookmark a name and a description. Then, select the location where you want to save the bookmark. For this example, I'm going to choose the Favorites tab. Once you're ready, click on Add. Alternatively, you can click on the Share button in the top right-hand corner. From there, click on Add Bookmark. It will bring up the same bookmark prompt. Now if you don't see the Share button on your toolbar at the top, simply right-click on the toolbar and click Customize Toolbar. Then, drag and drop the Share button to the toolbar. Once you've done this, click Done. Now you can access the Share menu and add your bookmarks as normal. Okay, so what about managing or removing bookmarks in Safari? The first way to do this is by going into the hotbar and typing in Favorites, /. This will take you to the Favorites screen, where you can see all of your bookmarks and iCloud tabs. From here, you can also edit this Favorites screen by clicking Edit in the bottom right-hand corner. You can select which types of information you want to show, for example, favorite bookmarks, iCloud tabs, and recently closed tabs. Once you're ready, click Edit again, and now you can manage your bookmarks from this screen. Alternatively, you can manage your bookmarks by clicking on the sidebar button in the top left-hand corner. Then, click on Bookmarks at the bottom of the sidebar. Click on the Favorites drop-down menu, and you can see all of your bookmarks from here. If you want to remove a bookmark, simply right-click on it and then click Delete. And again, if you don't see the sidebar option in your toolbar, right-click on the toolbar, click Customize Toolbar, and then drag and drop the sidebar icon to the toolbar. Click Done, and now you can access the sidebar in your Safari web browser. And that's how you add or remove Safari bookmarks on your Mac. I hope you found this guide useful. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.